in this video that I just made. VHC camcorder. I'm aiming this at the screen of my TV. This is called just the right sound effect to get a good laugh. That's gonna kill me. That's gonna kill me, yeah. This stuff ain't gonna work.